Okay, so this is a barn that we are taking down on a property we bought. The barn is just falling apart and it needs to come down the rest of the way before it falls down on somebody. So we're going to use the 8N and try to pull it down, and then my dad's going to come and help with the other half.
He wants to stay.
So up to this point, the 8N had done very well, but my dad has a New Holland with a little bit more weight. It's 4-wheel drive, and this part of the barn was a lot more stubborn. And I'll give more updates as we go with this project and what's going to be taking its place. Haven't really decided yet, and plenty more projects to come, so stay tuned.